Make jambalaya with me. I normally make my jambalaya one of two ways, but today I'm going to make it like this. So you'll want to start off by adding your sausage to your pot. I have some oil and bacon fat at the bottom of that pan, and I'm just going to brown those sausages up while I season my chicken. I'm going to season my chicken with Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then I'm going to mix that all together. Now that my sausage is done browning, I'm going to take all of it out and put it aside. In the same pot, we want to add the chicken that we just seasoned. That way the chicken can soak up all of that flavor that was left at the bottom. Now that you have your chicken brown, you're going to want to take that chicken out of the pot and set it aside along with the sausage. Okay, and now we're going to add our Holy Trinity. And if you don't know what that is, it is onions, bell peppers, and celery. And we're just going to cook these veggies down and add a little bit of garlic. Now, once your veggies get soft, I'm going to add in this harissa paste. It gives it a good flavor, but you do not have to add this. Now, off camera, I did add a spoonful of tomato paste, so definitely don't forget that. And I am going to add my rice in at this point as well. I'm going to mix that up and just toast the rice a little bit. Now, this part is completely optional. You can add a little bit of crushed tomatoes, but you do not have to, especially if you already used tomato paste. If you did not use tomato paste, I would definitely advise that you use crushed tomatoes, vice versa. After you did that, then you're going to go ahead and add in your chicken stock. I did use this whole carton of chicken stock. And at this point, just go ahead and mix everything together. Mix, mix, mix. And here you just see me adding in the same seasonings that I seasoned my chicken with. So Cajun seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, but I'm also going to be adding thyme in as well. After you mix in all of your seasoning, you're going to want to go back in with your sausage and chicken into that pot and mix it together. You're going to want to bring this to a low boil. Once you do that, then you're going to want to cut the heat down to low and keep the cover on it and do not touch it for about 12 to 14 minutes. Now, I kept the cover on for about 14 minutes and this is how it came out. You guys, it smelled amazing and I even went in for a little nibble and it was good as hell. But yeah, we're not done yet because I want to be a little extra. I'm going to go ahead, and I know this is so non-traditional, so don't eat me up, but I'm going to add in some okra. And not only am I adding in okra, but I'm going to add some shrimp as well. And the reason why I didn't add this earlier on is because nobody wants rubbery shrimp. So we're going to add this last minute. And after cooking this for a few minutes, I now have perfectly cooked shrimp. And look at that, y'all. Oh, it looks so good. Y'all, this jambalaya was amazing. And my man loved it. So definitely try it out.